May I come in, sir?
Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Please sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Your name is Yuraj,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yuraj, tell me something about yourself.
Thank you for asking about me, sir. My name is Yuvraj Patel, and I am from Pratapgarh, Uttar Pradesh. I have completed my schooling from Saraswati Vidya Mandir Inter College, Pratapgarh, and I have completed my graduation in economics from CSGM University, Kanpur. I have more than 3 years of banking experience with the State Bank of India as a
Hmm.
business correspondent. In this role, I have opened more than 1,200 accounts, promoted government schemes, supported KYCs, and government schemes like PMJJBY, PMSGY, and APYs as well. I also conducted financial literacy sessions in rural areas to be aware of the banking norms to the villagers. And I am hardworking, uh, disciplined, and always ready to learn something new. Now I want to grow my career with South Indian Bank, and I believe that this is a good opportunity for me to learn more and serve the customers in a better way. Thank you, sir.
So, Mr. Yuraj, are you confident?
Yes, sir. I'm very confident.
I think you are not confident.
No, sir. I'm confident.
How can I say that you are confident?
Sir, I'm confident.
You are confident.
Yes, sir.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why do you want to join this banking sector?
Sir, as I mentioned in my CV that
Hmm.
I already worked with State Bank of India
Hmm.
with 3 years. Uh, I think that this job is for me.
Hmm.
Like I have problem solving skills, and I always rely on customer satisfaction, and I do work with very professionalism. Like I do not do silly mistakes
Hmm.
in banking.
Hmm.
So that's I want to join banking sector.
Hmm. You said that you are confident,
Yes, sir.
but while answering, you are not confident.
Sir, I am confident in my from my inner soul.
Okay. You mentioned in your introduction that you were working with the SBI. Why did you leave that job?
I I am very grateful to the State Bank of India
Hmm.
as I I learned many more things like how to handle customers and and various works. But in the other sense, I say that the job of State Bank of India is not a permanent job,
Hmm.
and I want to do a permanent job, and a part of salary is also a good for in South Indian Bank.
Hmm.
So I left that job, and now I want to join South Indian Bank.
Why South Indian Bank?
Sir, I want to join South Indian Bank because it is a growing private sector bank, and it is completely digital bank, and working very well in this sector, and uh, I have seen that this bank works for technology
Hmm.
and customer satisfaction,
Hmm.
it suits me very well as I have experience of and of this sector, and so sir, I want to join South Indian Bank. Uh,
Okay. Did you apply for any other bank?
no, sir, I did not apply it.
You did not apply. Why?
Sir, because previously I was preparing for defense exams, but I really want a job in banking sector, a permanent job, and I saw a notification of South Indian Bank,
Mhm.
and I go with that.
Why did you prefer this private job? If you were preparing for that government job, it means you are not confident to clear that government job.
No, sir, I have already, sir, I am confident with myself, and I am prepared as if you see as if you can see that in my pre 100 out of 92 marks, like my preparation is also good. But I want to join private sector bank because it has a professional work culture.
What do you know about the South Indian bank?
So South Indian Bank is a private scheduled bank, and it's um, its main branch is on Thrissur, Kerala, and it was established on 29th of January
Mm-hmm.
1929,
Mm-hmm.
and its CEO, MD and CEO is Mr. P.R. Shadri sir,
Mm-hmm.
and its manager and managing director is Mr. Retired IAS Mr.
Mm-hmm.
B.J. Kurian sir. And this branch has 954 branches and 1219 ATMs and CDRMs as well.
Mm-hmm.
And it is rapidly growing to all the north states and
Mm-hmm.
south states as well.
Mm. Why did you choose this in your graduation economics? I have seen in your CV.
Sir, I always want to go with banking sector exams,
Mm-hmm.
so I choose economics. I really wanted to choose commerce in my intermediate, but due to my some family or unavailability of commerce, I choose the math section.
First of all, tell me that you are going to work with the private bank, and you have already worked with that public sector bank. What is the difference between the public sector bank and private sector bank?
Sir, everything is equal, but the main difference is like government sector bank handled by government, and the private sector bank are handled by private individuals.
Okay. Is there any difference between the work of private sector bank and government sector bank?
Sir, there not a lot of difference, but I can say that work culture are very different from government to private. Like private has professional work culture, and and the
Government.
government sector bank has not I think not professionally work,
In government sector, there is the employee. They are not professional.
not professional.
How?
Sir, as if I visit in a government branch, and if I visit in a private branch, it seems already, and you can see the difference between them and their work culture and their profession also.
Hmm. Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Sir, after 5 years, in this 5 year, I will work hard,
Hmm.
and I will do not and do any mistake
Hmm.
uh, that you will denominate me, and I think I will
Hmm.
do hard work for this bank,
Hmm.
and I will think that this is not a job for me.
Hmm.
I will work here like this is my bank.
Hmm. You have worked with SBI. Uh, so, do you know about the KYC?
So KYC basically stands for Know Your Customer. As every branch should have to know who the customer really is.
Should have no.
Should have know that
Should have no.
should have know who the customer really is.
Hmm.
Like if any customer wants to open account, or if any customer has
Tell me that it should know, the bank should know, or bank should have no.
so bank should know.
Bank should know. Okay.
uh, who the customer really is. Like it can be done by proof of birth, proof of
Mm-hmm.
address,
Mm-hmm.
and PAN card.
Mm-hmm. What is financial inclusion?
So financial inclusion is the thing that it is
Mm-hmm.
it is prepared for the its main sorry sir. Financial inclusion basically stands for the to spread the knowledge about banking in rural sectors and urban sectors also, and especially it is made for the underprivileged areas to to operate the banking norms, and have a saving accounts, or do anything with banking, and promote the savings, and it include it commutes for the to strengthen the economy, uh, and weakening the poverty.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure that whatever you said that is right?
I'm sure.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me that what is UPI?
So UPI stands for Unified Payment Interface, and in this generation, UPI is very API is very interesting and helpful for us.
Mhm.
Like
Mhm.
if I want to transact or buy anything without cash, I
Mhm.
can do with and having UPI. I don't have a fear of theft of
Mhm.
cash.
Yes, Mr. Yuraj. What is the meaning of Yuraj?
Sir, Yuvraj, the meaning of Yuvraj is son of a king,
Mhm.
and it will successor of the king after, and it will and he will rule the kingdom.
Hmm. Yes, Mr. Yuraj, tell me that you are going to work with us. Suppose that if any customers he's not interested in our bank's policies, how would you sell and how will you sell?
So first of all, I will go to the customer and ask what he really wants.
Hmm.
Uh, if he wants a scheme like any life insurance, I will sell him. If he do not want it, I will not waste time
Hmm.
to the customer uh, for life insurance. If he has surplus amount, I will ask him to do SIP or mutual fund to open a mutual fund account. And
If the
if
bank is going to give you the target, how would you fulfill the target?
Sir, I will go to the customer directly
Hmm.
and ask about the scheme.
And the customers are not interested,
Sometimes customers are not interested,
and
and
you have a limited time. How would you?
sir, first of all, every customer do not interest in this scheme, but some of customers are not aware about it.
Hmm.
I will teach him what the scheme really is, and I will also use his tone to.
Suppose that if you are going to sell your policy like life insurance policy, how do you sell? I'm your customer. Sell.
Sir, I will ask you about a pension scheme like APY.
Hmm.
If I have to sell you a APY, I will directly go to you and I will.
The customers, they are like villagers. They are rural. They are uneducated. How would you sell?
Sir, in northern states, I have word on it. I teach in Hindi as well, and villager tones like Audhi
Hmm.
also. I will teach him to do this, and it is a good for you and your child as well.
Hmm.
Like if you do any APY in a small age,
Hmm.
you will
What is
contribute.
APY?
Sir, APY is Atal Pension Yojana.
Okay.
It is a pension scheme.
Hmm.
Like if you if you do APY in age of 18,
Hmm.
you have to contribute only 210 rupees per month,
Hmm.
and after 40, you have to contribute only for 20 years, and after 60, when you be age of 60, it's automatically converted to a pension scheme of 5,000 rupees per month.
Okay.
Then I will teach you about uh, its benefits, its benefit of, and also I will uh, teach you and your son or any of your relative to do this.
Hmm. As I am noticing that you are stuck somewhere. This is your natural problem, or this is the because of unconfident.
So I am confident, but my English is some weak in
Your English is not good.
not good, sir.
So why should I hire you?
Uh, Sir, I can see that this bank is spreading in northern areas, and if you hire me, I will do much better in northern areas with Hindi
So
as
how do
well.
you deal with the person, the customer who will speak in English?
Sir, I am trying to do my best, and I am learning English.
So
That
why should I hire you? There are more candidates. They are eligible, so they are able to speak English very fluently.
Sir,
Why should I hire you?
only English is not sufficient for the bank, sir, because the bank.
What's unique do you have?
Sir, I have a convincing skills to the customer, and I have and also use local tone also to customer, and I also have I also make believe to the customer
Hmm.
as well.
If you have to rate your English, so in out of 10, so how many ratings will you give?
Sir, before 10 days, I will rate it 0. But now I can rate in my perception it is 6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Okay. How will you deal with the angry customers in bank?
Sir, I think every customer is not happy with our work, like any of guard or any of other person. Uh, the customer will unhappy with, and it will come to me. And first of all, I will ask him what the main reason why he is angry, and I will listen him completely and calmly. Then I will try to solve the problem. If I cannot solve the problem, I will call the colleague or senior manager to do this.
In your CV, you mentioned that you have opened more than 1,000 accounts, like current account or saving accounts?
So it was saving accounts.
Saving account. So do you know about current account? What is current account?
Sir, basically current account cannot be opened individually, as if you want to open a current account, you have to first you have to open a saving account, then you can open a secondary current account also.
Difference between the current account and saving account.
Sir, if you are a employee or any person who is working and do not have much amount, you should open a saving account that it gives interest also. And in current account, a businessman should open a current account, and it is opened by a minimum amount like 5,000 or 10,000, and you have to transact, and you should and you can transact it like from check leaves, and you can transact easily, daily transact, and you have a great limit of current account.
Who is the founder of South Indian Bank?
Sir, the founder is retired IAS Mr. Vijay Kurian, sir.
Who is MD, current MD and CEO?
Sir, current MD and CEO of this bank is Mr. PR Shehade, sir. PR
Okay.
Shehade, sir.
Who is the governor of our RBI?
Sir, current governor of RBI is Mr. Sanjay Malhotra, sir.
Sanjay Malhotra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the functions of RBI?
Sir, RBI, the main function of RBI is to regulate commercial banks and private banks also. The main function is to approve currency, and also repo rate and reverse repo rate, and a bank totally depends on RBI, sir.
What is reverse repo rate and repo rate?
Sir, repo rate is a rate that which the RBI lends the money to the commercial banks, and
Mhm.
it is currently it is 5.50%,
Mhm.
and reverse repo rate is a rate which which commercial bank lend to the RBI, and it is currently 3.35%.
What is your strength?
Sir, I can say that my strength is uh, communicating skills and convincing peoples, and I think my skill is my strength is like I am hardworking,
Hmm.
so that I will do any work easily.
Hmm. How can we know that you are a hardworking?
Sir, as you can see that I from previous job, I have opened more than 1,200 accounts, and sells many of the government schemes. Like, it is not a easy deal,
Hmm.
and I have and in this and in that area I have opened 1,200 accounts, whereas every person have an account with other banks, and I will and I done it easily, sir.
Mm. Yes. What is your weakness?
Sir, sometimes I feel that my weakness is that sometimes I do not directly say to no to the work. Like if my colleague say to me that please brother do this work, and I will do not say no. I will do his work also as well as my work, and it is a really it is a weakness for me, as it as it affects my personal life also.
Mm. What is your interests?
Sir, my interest in uh, uh, my interest is writing poems
Uh,
and writing stories also.
Hindi or English?
Sir, Hindi.
Hindi.
Yes, sir.
So, have you ever written any poetry or in Hindi?
Sir, I have written many poetries and it has been printed on newspapers and books also, sir.
Okay. So, could you tell me one?
अभी तो याद नहीं आ रहा है.
Yes.
Sir, currently I cannot recall.
Okay. Yes. Now you're okay. Okay, Mr. Yuras, that you will be notified after some time. You can go and sit outside.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Have a